So for this problem, to evaluate this given equation, so first, from the difference of 2 squared, so if we have x squared minus y squared, so to expand, so this is equal to x minus y, then times x plus y, then for 1, so this is equal to 1 squared, and for 1 over 2 to the power 2, so we can rewrite this one as 1 over 2, then quantity to the power 2. So for this given, so we can have 1 squared minus 1 to the power 2 quantity to the power 2. So we can apply now this difference of 2 squared. So we can write this one as 1 then minus 1 over 2 then times 1 then plus 1 over 2. So the same with this remaining equations. So therefore, to expand this given equation, so for this, so this is equal to 1 minus 1 half, then times 1 plus 1 half. Then for this, so this is equal to 1 minus 1 third, then times 1 plus 1 third. Then for this, so 1 minus 1 over 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. Then for this, so this is equal to 1 minus 1 over 100, then times 1 plus 1 over 100. Then to simplify, so we have this 2 times 1 is 2. 2 then minus 1, so that's 1. So this is equal to 1 over 2. So just copy the denominator. Then for this, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, that's 3. So this is 3 over 2. Then for this, so 1 times 3, this one is 3, minus 1. So this is 2 over 3. Then this is 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 1. So this is 4 over 3. Then we have 4 times 1, that's 4, minus 1. So this is 3 over 4. Then we have 4 times 1, that's 4 plus 1. So this is 5 over 4. Then this one is 100 times 1, that's 100, minus 1. So we have 99 over 100. And 1 times 100, this is 100 plus 1. So we have 101 over 100. Now observe from the given numbers. Now take note that 5 over 4 times 4 over 5, this is equal to 1 because 5 times 4 is 20 over 4 times 5 also 20. So again, this is equal to 1. So therefore, from these numbers, so this 3 over 2 and 2 over 3, this is equal to 1. Then 4 over 3 and 3 over 4. So this is also equal to 1. Then for this 5 over 4, now we all know that the next number for this is 4 over 5. And this is also equal to 1. And for this 99 over 100, so again, we all know that the number before this number is 100 over 99. So this one is also equal to 1. So therefore, the remaining is 1 over 2 times 101 over 100. Then to simplify, so multiply this 1 and 101. So this is 101 and 2 times 100, that's 200. So therefore the given equation is equal to 101 over 200.